Dino D, American Foreigner in the Philippines YouTube channel. Please subscribe, leave a comment, or click that thumbs up button, or maybe all three. Alright, so here in my place that I live at in Butuan City, our water pressure sucks. It's not good at all during the day. Usually I can come out here and wash the plates and all the pots and utensils 2 in the afternoon, but the last 3 days no water pressure until like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I had to figure out a different way because I'm out of plates. I have no utensils, no bowls, no pots or pans to cook in. So usually there's water in here because the faucet is very low. So I have to fill up tubs with the water so it can be used. So here's some pots and pans and utensils right here that I have to wash. So that's the way I have to do it right now. If I want anything clean to eat with. A little soap on the sponge. Scrub that spoon. What I'm doing is I'm actually throwing them in a bucket because they're utensils, and I can put water in that to rinse them. Archaic, yeah, but it has to be done. Otherwise I have nothing to eat with. Already done 8 or 9 plates. They're in the oven for drying, just using the rack. Oven's not on. Maybe you can hear, oh, the water starts and stops, and it's just basically a trickle. So I'm almost finished with this batch. So today, feeling like a caveman. Most of Butuan City, the city turns the water on and off. So if you want water constantly, you have to have a water tank in your yard with a pump on it. It runs off electric. But this house doesn't have one, and the owner suggested that if I wanted to, I could have one installed. Well, the tank itself is $11,000, about $1,200 US, and then the pump is another around 7,000 pesos, and so that's like 18,000 there, along with the installer, which would probably charge at least 10K. So you're looking at what, 28,000 pesos, and that would be around what is that US dollar? 28,000. Every 10,000 is $200. So about $2,700. And I said, well, you could sell it whenever you leave the house. To who? The new owner or the new renter? Who knows if they want to buy it, or if they even can afford it. So I live like this instead of making something better for the owner that I won't get paid back for. Maybe one day I'll do a video about how you take a bath here. That's another interesting one. Me, I like warm water. So I use a hot pot to actually heat the water and then pour it into a bucket. and then add cold water to it so it doesn't get scalding. And that's kind of clean. Alright, so now the rinsing, this is how I have to rinse. Do that one more time. Some on the bottom. Alright, that's rinsed off. Put that to the side over here. Now we have to rinse our utensils. This is called a tableau. Yeah, it's a small handheld pail. Alright, should be enough of that. Here are the utensils. And this is how to flush the toilet. Because most of the time there's no water in the tank. Civilized living. They call Butuan City a first-class industrial city. There's no first class about this city. Alright, so that's going to do it today for this video. Just wanted to show you some of the dilemmas and the things that I deal with on a daily basis in this village, small village area that I live in. Alright, so thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and click the thumb up button for me. Have a great day.